Mr. Caesar, you've got headphones on. I want you to take those off. This is a courtroom, not a gym.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. So tell me what brought you to the park that day.
I work about a half mile from home. Okay, at my dad's pizza shop. I help make pizzas. It's a family-owned business.
Okay.
You know, they've had it open since before I was born. You know, I take an electric scooter to work every day, and I'm an avid selfie taker. I have about 20,000 followers on my blog right now. I think it's important to know because I'm able to monetize now. And, you know, you get enough followers and you can kind of help out businesses by taking a selfie there. You know, just a few months ago, I took a selfie in a hotel lobby, posted it on their website, and then they gave me 50% off for the weekend. So
selfies can be profitable.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what brought you to the park that day?
Well, I was just taking a leisurely ride, and it's a beautiful day, sun's shining, birds chirping, families are having picnics. Okay, other electric scooters are there. I mean, it's a busy area. I stop to take some pictures, and as soon as I do, I lower my phone, and I see this horse and carriage just charging straight towards me. The horse looked like it was in full gallop.
We don't
Pulling a carriage.
Yes. I scream at the top of my lungs to get her attention. I yell, "Stop!" And that didn't slow her down at all. She didn't do anything.
Did you hear that, Ms. Foster?
No, I didn't.
Did you see him?
Yes, I saw him.
And not a split second goes by before I'm completely trampled by this horse and carriage.
Now, Ms. Foster, you remember this day, right?
Yes.
Before your horse impacted Mr. Caesar, what brought you to the park?
We were just doing our normal rounds in the park like we usually do, and all of a sudden, I see there is a man on a scooter and he's directly in my pathway. So, of course, I pull up the reins, I've hit him, he screams, I have the wherewithal to jump out of the carriage, I run over to him,
Okay,
I'm concerned about him.
Let's stop. So, Ms. Foster, you were driving that horse and carriage?
Yes, I was.
How long have you been doing that kind of thing?
Well, I've been doing it for the past 5 years. Prior to that, I was a school teacher.
Okay.
I taught 4th grade math. I love the outdoors. I love horses. I started very young around horses. I had a colt and broke it myself. And so when the opportunity came for me to rescue Bella, I jumped at the opportunity because...
Bella is the horse?
Is my horse, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so you
My
know
rescue
Bella
horse.
pretty well.
Yes, I do, yes. And
So
I brought
you remember this afternoon when you're in the park?
Yes.
And you were in the horse and carriage?
Yes, it's my job. I drive the horse and carriage around the park.
Is this Bella?
Yes, that's her. Isn't she beautiful?
Yes, she's a beautiful horse. So you're making your rounds around the park. Is that what you normally did in operating this carriage business?
Yes, that's my job.
Do
in the
you
park.
charge people for taking a ride?
Yes, I do. I charge, and I also can get tips.
Now, you said we when you were referring to operating the horse and carriage. Do you refer to we because it's you and Bella?
Yes, we
Okay.
are like this.
Well, I've never had a horse. I've had some big dogs.
Yeah.
But never had a horse.
She'll give you a run for her money.
I imagine. So, Mr. Caesar, tell me about seeing this horse coming at you.
After I yell stop, not a split second goes by before they just trample me.
Now, are you standing on the ground or on your scooter?
I've got one foot on the scooter, one on the ground, taking a selfie. And so I don't have the means to get out. Even if there weren't a scooter, I wouldn't have been able to move. She was just that close, and she was going that fast with that horse. I black out after that, wake up in the hospital. I don't even know how long after that. Didn't remember anything in between those times.
I don't gallop the horse in the park.
So what did you see when you first noticed he was near you?
All of a sudden, there's a guy on a scooter, and he appears in front of our path. And so, what am I going to do?
Well, let's go back. You said you're doing your round.
Right.
Now, that's going around the park, right?
Right, right.
Now, are you doing those? I know the old Pony Express commercials, right? That thing is moving. That thing is grooving, right?
Well,
are
not
you
going
moving
that.
and grooving in the park?
No, we don't go that fast. We never go
She
past
was
a
that
trot.
day, Your Honor.
We never go past a trot. We don't gallop. I mean, if we have passengers, of course, we're not going to scare people and, start clipping it around the park at all.
So Bella and you are in a nice trot, and then you see Mr. Caesar.
Yeah, next thing you know, he's right in front of us. He's in our path.
Is he standing still or is he moving?
No, he's taking pictures of himself. What do you think he's doing?
Does he seem to notice you?
Nope, he's oblivious because he's got the headphones on and he's taking pictures of himself.
No, they were around my neck
he-
just like they were today, Your Honor.
So you're out there with headphones on and taking pictures and on a scooter and
So, Your Honor, the headphones
You
were around
look
my
up
neck,
and you
just
see
like
this
they were
horse
today.
charging.
Yes. So, I mean,
Okay.
even if I hadn't been able to hear her, it would have been the same scenario where I see her, I yell stop, you know, she doesn't hold back. And the horse came charging after me, and I hit my head on the ground.